Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we will learn intangible assets in a simple way.
Intangible assets include copyrights, trademarks, customer lists, and franchises. We follow 3 steps: purchase, amortization, and carrying value. Riverwalk purchased a copyright for $36,000. Useful life is 4 years, so annual amortization is $9,000. The carrying value becomes $27,750. Trademark purchased for $180,000 with 10-year life. Carrying value is $166,500. Customer list purchased for $24,000 with 5-year life. Carrying value becomes $21,600. Franchise purchased for $48,000 with 8-year life. Carrying value becomes $47,000. We always use economic life, not legal life. Assets with indefinite life are not amortized, only tested for impairment. Royalty is 5% of $600,000, equal to $30,000.
Thank you for watching complete video and subscribe for more easy accounting videos.